This week I'm testing the Renault Kadjar. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Renault Kadjar there are Isofix in the 2 outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all 3 seat backs are top tether anchorages, easily accessible through the boot. Now I could just squeeze 3 child seats in the back here if the 3rd child seat was a basic slim booster. Nothing else would really fit in that spot, and it's much more comfortable with just 2 child seats. We found with legroom, with forward-facing child seats, we could fit a 182cm passenger in the front. However, with rear-facing child seats, I could only fit in the driver's seat, and I'm 162cm. Storage in the back of the Renault Kadjar is quite minimal. There are 2 cup holders and a fold down in the central seat back. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are quite small in the back here. They will hold just a 600ml bottle. Storage in the front is quite good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is another little well, good for a baby chino even. The central console storage box isn't a bad size, and there's a little tray in the top, good for putting your sunglasses. There's a storage well for your phone in front of the gear lever that does have a 12-volt socket and 2 USBs. The glove box is a good size in here, that would hold my wallet and my iPad with the manual. There's no sunglasses holder, but the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle. The boot floor of the Renault Kadjar can drop down about 10cm, giving you a lot of extra space, which is really good. Also, the boot floor is divided in 2 with these dividers. Now, you can stand one like this, and that will allow you to just put shopping in one half, and that stops it from moving around and falling all over the boot. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. When empty, 12 shopping bags will fit, or a twin side-by-side stroller will fit with 2 shopping bags. Silver Cross have kindly provided us with some prams, so we'll see how they'll fit too. The Silver Cross Wave double pram with bassinet and seat will fit in the boot of the Renault Kadjar with 4 shopping bags. The Silver Cross Wave double pram with 2 seats will also fit in the boot of the Renault Kadjar with 4 shopping bags. The Silver Cross Pioneer pram with bassinet will fit in the boot of the Renault Kadjar with 5 shopping bags. The Silver Cross Pioneer pram with seat will fit in the boot of the Renault Kadjar with 5 shopping bags. The Silver Cross Coast pram with bassinet will fit in the boot of the Renault Kadjar with 4 shopping bags. The Silver Cross Coast pram with seat will also fit in the boot of the Renault Kadjar with 4 shopping bags. The Silver Cross Jet compact stroller will fit in the boot of the Renault Kadjar with 9 shopping bags. A large dog will also fit in this boot. Thank you again to Silver Cross for providing these prams. Please visit their website at silvercross.com.au. The Renault Kadjar is a really nice car to drive. Initially I found the gears a little bit difficult to get used to, just there was a gap in between changing gears. However, once you're used to that, it's actually just really pleasant to drive. It's very smooth and just really enjoyable. Light, easy to park, visibility is pretty good. It's great around town. It's a nice little car. The media system in the Renault Kadjar is quite basic and simple, and it's easy to navigate and use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is quite good. It does have this over the top view as well, which is great, and you can change the view and you can mute the parking sensors with the button on the screen there. To sum up with the Kadjar, it's a lovely little 5-seater car. It can just fit those 3 child seats. It's got great boot space. It does have Apple CarPlay, but legroom is a little bit tight, especially if you're using rear-facing child seats. Read the full reviews at babydrive.com.au.